Oh no, shit, again.
What happened?
You know what? She called me fool again.
But why she called you fool?
Because I'm not smart enough. I wish I could have something that make me smarter.
I can feel you. You know I'm very slow at work. So people sometimes laugh at me.
Really?
Yes.
This is really sad, but I can totally relate.
But how?
You know, as a mother and as a student, sometimes I feel I'm unable to breathe. I always tired. I have so many things to do.
I'm really sad after hearing this all, Margie. But I have to say, we are all in the same page.
How?
You know, guys, I have a huge problem with my eyes. Without the glasses, I cannot see well. And sometimes, I become so frustrated. I wish there could be something that would cure me.
What is happening?
Oh my god.
What the?
What the hell is that?
Oh my god. What is this? Should I touch it?
Be careful.
It came from above?
Yeah.
Oh man. I think let's take it. What is it? What it is?
You can tell it what it is.
Guys, look. It is written Revive Roast Energy Drink. Make you smarter, make you faster, make you special.
Can it be our solution?
Maybe. Let's try this.
Yes, we should try it.
What happened? Why did you call me?
Please smile. We can talk inside.
Okay.
Hey, do you want some popcorn?
Yes, of course.
So, do you want to see some magic?
Yes. Oh my god, how is this possible? This is magic. I must say, I'm impressed today.
You know, I'm the smartest guy in the world now. You know, I have something for you.
What is it?
Come, I'll show you.
Oh, thank you.
Let's go.
Hello? What happened? Oh, I need to come
my friends got solution. So it is high time to shake my hands with Revive Roast.
Felt the power? Get ready